This video contains question number 11 to 17 of miscellaneous of chapter 2. Hello everyone, this is my video number 11 and in this video we will cover question number 11 to all of exercise of miscellaneous exercise of chapter 2. So let's start from question number 11. Prove that tan inverse under root 1 plus x minus under root 1 minus x whole upon under root 1 plus x plus under root 1 minus x equal to pi by 4 minus 1 by 2 cos inverse x. So see the solution by taking LHS. LHS is tan inverse under root 1 plus x minus under root 1 minus x, and same as in its denominator, only plus sign is here. In this question put x is equal to cos 2 theta. X is equal to cos 2 theta, cos transferred to left side, so it will be cos inverse x, only 2 theta remaining, and theta is equal to 1 by 2 cos inverse x. So in place of x write cos 2 theta, so it will be 1 plus cos 2 theta and 1 minus cos 2 theta. So let's see, and same as in its denominator, 1 plus cos 2 theta plus under root 1 minus cos 2 theta. 1 plus cos 2 theta break into half the angle, it will be 2 times cos square theta, and 1 minus cos 2 theta, it means 2 times sin square theta, same as in its denominator. It will be only root 2 cos theta, this will be root 2 sin theta, and same as in its denominator. In next step root 2 is common, so only cos theta minus sin theta upon cos theta plus sin theta, root 2 common and cancel out. So question is only tan inverse cos theta minus sin theta upon cos theta plus sin theta. Now this question is same as question number 8 of exercise 2.2. So you will try, and the final answer is pi by 4 minus theta, and last in place of theta write 1 by 2 cos inverse x. Since x is equal to cos 2 theta, so theta is equal to 1 by 2 cos inverse x. So this is our RHS. So try this question, it is same as question number 8 of exercise 2.2. Now next question number 12. Prove that 9 pi upon 8 minus 9 by 4 sin inverse 1 by 3 equal to 9 by 4 sin inverse 2 root 2 by 3. So by taking LHS, this is our LHS. 9 upon 4 is common, so only pi by 2 remaining, pi by 2 minus sin inverse 1 by 3. Since we know that sin inverse x plus cos inverse x, which is pi by 2, so cos inverse x, which is equal to pi by 2 minus sin inverse x. So we have pi by 2 minus sin inverse x, so in place of pi by 2 minus sin inverse x write cos inverse x. Here x is 1 by 3. 9 upon 4 cos inverse 1 by 3, but our target is sin inverse. So once again we have the formula, cos inverse and sin inverse we can interchange each other. So since cos inverse x, which is equal to sin inverse under root 1 minus x square, so in place of cos inverse write sin inverse and under root 1 minus x square. X square it means 1 by 3 whole square. 1 by 3 whole square, that is 1 by 9. By taking LCM, 9 minus 1, that is 8, and 8 it means 2 root 2 by 3. This is our RHS. Now next question number 13. 13, solve the following equation. This is the equation. So do not take LHS RHS, it is equation. 2 times tan inverse cos x, which is equal to tan inverse 2 cosec x. So take this question, and this is 2 times tan inverse cos x. So since 2 times tan inverse tan inverse x, which is tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square, so break into half the angle, so this is 2 times, this is only 1 times, so tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square. X it means cos x, in place of x write cos x. Now tan inverse and this tan inverse both are cancelled out, only 2 cos x upon 1 minus cos square. 1 minus cos square, that is sin square, and 2 cosec. 2 cosec it means 1 upon sin. Here 2 cancel out, this is sin and that is a square, only square cut. Cos x upon sin x, it means cot x, cot x which is equal to 1, or x is equal to cot inverse 1 and cot inverse 1 which is pi by 4. This is our answer. Now next question number 14. Solve the following equation. This is also equation. Tan inverse 1 minus x upon 1 plus x equal to 1 by 2 tan inverse x. So once again this is 2 times. So break into half the angle. So it will be only 1 times. This is 2x upon 1 minus x square. 2x, x means this bracket. So in denominator, taking LCM, 1 plus x whole square here minus 1 minus x whole square and whole upon 1 plus x square. Now this fraction 2 into 1 minus cos x upon 1 plus x as it is, and the denominator it will be reciprocal. So 1 plus x square here and 1 plus x square. 1 plus x square, it means 1 square plus x square plus 2x minus 1 minus x whole square, it means 1 square plus x square minus 2x. Now 1 plus x and this square cancel out, only 2 1 plus x and on 1 minus x it will be 1 minus x square, a square minus b square. Now in its denominator, a square plus b square plus 2ab, open this bracket, minus 1 minus x square and it will be minus minus plus. So here 1 and x square both are cancel out, 2x and 2x, that is 4x. Now 2 and 4 cancel out, only 2x remaining. Now 2x transfer into right side, so it will be 2x square. This x square transfer into right side, so 2x square plus x square, it means 3x square, and divided by 3, so x square is only 1 by 3, or x is equal to 1 by root 3. It is given that it is positive, so do not take plus minus, only plus sign. Now next question number 15, which is MCQ. Sine of tan inverse x equal to question mark. Let tan inverse x equal to suppose theta. Then tan theta is equal to x by 1. See in this right angle triangle, x by 1, p by b, perpendicular upon base. So by using Pythagoras, find the value of hypotenuse, that is under root 1 plus x square. Then sin theta is x upon under root 1 plus x square. So theta is equal to sin inverse x upon under root 1 plus x square, which is equal to tan inverse x. So in place of tan inverse x, sin inverse x upon under root x square, this sin and sin inverse cancel out, only x upon under root 1 plus x square. So option D, which is the correct option. Now question number 16. Question number 16 is sin inverse 1 minus x minus 2 times sin inverse x, which is equal to pi by 2. Then find the value of x. This is our question. This sin inverse 1 minus x transfer into right side, so it will be pi by 2 minus sin inverse 1 minus x. Now pi by 2 minus sin inverse x, that is cos inverse x, so it will be cos inverse 1 minus x, and this is 2 times sin inverse x. Let sin inverse x is equal to suppose theta, then x is equal to sin theta. Now this is theta, so minus 2 theta equal to cos inverse 1 minus x, x means x which is sin theta. Now this cos inverse transfer into left side, so cos of minus 2 theta equal to only 1 minus sin theta, and cos of minus theta is always positive, so it will be only cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta break into half angle, but in the term of sine, which is 1 minus 2 times sin square theta. Here 1 is cancel out, and 1 minus sin theta transfer into left side, so 1 cancel out. So minus 2 sin square theta plus sin theta remaining. Sin theta is common, so only minus sin theta and plus 1 remaining equal to 0. Either sin theta equal to 0 or this bracket equal to 0. If sin theta equal to 0, then x equal to 0. This is our first answer, because sin theta equal to and sin theta which is equal to x, so x equal to 0. This is our first answer. Now second, 1 minus 2 sin theta equal to 0, then sin theta is equal to 1 by 2, but sin theta which is equal to x, so x is 1 by 2. But 1 by 2 does not satisfy by this equation. Let's see here. This is our equation. Sin inverse 1 minus x minus 2 times sin inverse x, which is pi by 2. Pi by 2 means 90. In place of x, write suppose 1 by 2. This is 1 by 2. 1 minus 1 by 2, it means only 1 by 2 remaining, and this is 2 times 1 by 2. Sin inverse 1 by 2, and this is 2 times 1 by 2, so only minus sin inverse 1 by 2 remaining. 1 by 2 means 30 degree, minus sign as it is. This is minus 30 and right side which is 90. So both are not equal. So only x equal to 0. This is our answer. Check the answer. In place of x, write suppose 0. So only sin inverse 1 remaining. Sin inverse 1 which is pi by 2. And here sin inverse 0 which is 0. So only pi by 2 is equal to pi by 2. So our only one answer is correct. X equal to 0. This is the correct answer. Now this is the last question of exercise. Tan inverse x upon y minus tan inverse x minus y upon x plus y. So let's see the solution. Use tan inverse x minus tan inverse y. So write tan inverse once. This is x minus y upon 1 plus x into y. So here x is x upon y and y is this bracket, x minus y upon x plus y. Now take LCM. So x into x plus y, this is minus sign as it is, y into x minus y, this is, and in its denominator take LCM. So y into x plus y here, this is plus sign, and x into x minus y, and LCM is cancel out. Now x into x, x square, x into y minus x into y, and minus minus plus y square, here xy cancel out. Now denominator x into y, this is y square plus x square, and this is minus xy. Once again here xy cancel out, so x square plus y square remaining. Numerator also x square plus y square, so both are cancelled out. Only one remaining, and tan inverse 1, that is pi by 4, which is our correct answer. So this is our chapter 2. These are total 11 videos on chapter 2. So watch this video again and again and revise this chapter. Thank you.